Torah reading. The reading from the Torah in Shul on Monday, Thursday, and Shabbos, although some of the opinion that women are obligated to hear Torah, I'm not sure why would they say so. The custom is to follow the opinion that they are exempt. Yeah, Mishnah Brura, they're exempt. I mean, because it's simply it's the same logic. This reading bound to time. In Shacharis, it's a specific 10 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever they read the Torah. That's it. So it's a very time-bound mitzvah. Okay. Just one second. A woman who is in shul during the Kriyas Torah should certainly listen as possible. Okay, if she's there on Shabbos morning, let's say on Halachos, of course she must hear. She must listen. Okay. Actually, they say not must, but should. So if she need to go, since she was not obligated to begin with, she can go. But for men, never leave the shul during the reading of the Torah. Because it says clearly, one of the prophets say that whoever distance from me is, I'm going to shorten his life. And it's paraphrase, I don't remember exactly the quote, but similar to this. So our sages say what? That whoever live in the Torah during the Torah reading, so his life would be shortened. So if you need to go to the restroom or you need to go to work, wherever you need to go, so try to go before reading, I'd say, or after, if it's possible. If not possible, so try to go between aliyahs. So when they call one person, now they bless one person, they call another person. So Torah is closed, Torah is covered. So while Torah is covered, yeah, you can leave if need to. Try not to, but permissible. But for women, he said he should certainly listen. If she can, if she must go tend to her children, of course she should go. Continue. A woman who comes to shul late and would miss listening Kriyas HaTorah, if she davens, has a question of whether she should daven or listen to the laning. If the Zman Tefillah will pass, she should certainly daven. Even if the Zman Tefillah will not pass, she may certainly daven if she wishes, instead of listening to Kriyas HaTorah. So it's very interesting and exactly the same idea as we said before. So a woman comes to the shul late, well, let's say in Shabbos, right? And now they're reading Torah. So if she's going to start praying now, right, she's going to miss the reading of the Torah. It's very simple. I'm not sure how long they're reading. Of course, it depends on the parsha, depends how many blessings they give and stuff like that. So let's say, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. So when if she's going to say now morning blessings, she's going to say Shema, blessing before Shema, after Shema. She's going to say Shmona Esrei, and according to what we said, Psuki de Zimra. So it's simply more than 20 minutes, simply. Right? So they say if she can, if the time for a prayer will pass, if she's going to wait, so of course there is no question about it. She should pray, right? As we said, time for the prayer, meaning for Shema and Shmona Esrei. Of course, when we say up to the noon, it's like the person does not get all of the rewards, partially this and that. So, and we say Shema without the blessing. Okay. So try to pray up to the time when it says in our calendars the latest shacharis, right? The latest shacharis. So try to keep that time in mind. So if she going to miss that time, so of course she's not obligated to listen to the Torah. Of course, I would suggest not to do in everybody's face, right? So you some people they come late and they stand in the middle of the shul and pray. Okay, you're such a big tzaddik, just go to the corner. Then next time to try to get up maybe 40 minutes early, and pray. So don't be in everybody's face. Same as this woman. If other women are listening, so they are looking, so don't block anybody's view. Go to the corner and pray. Don't bother anybody. But they say, okay, if she can listen to the Torah and let's say reading of the Torah, and then let's say she would pray later, right? If she has time, let's say some minyanim they start earlier, there is no problem. But she's not obligated. So because why? Because this obligation to prayer comes more often than reading of the Torah. Listen to the reading of the Torah. That's why it has this precedence.